welcome back to my channel. I'm Rissbeauty. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and to click the notification bell. Every time I post a video, you'll get notified. Anyways, yes, dyed my hair black. I look like a mess. I just got back from the lake. I still have my bathing suit on. I'm in a big, comfy sweater with like hardly any makeup, so don't mind that. Today's video is going to be my current beauty slash fashion favorites, just overall in the past like few months, 2 months to a month. These are just the products and the fashion pieces that I have been obsessed with. So I'm going to start with beauty and like skin and then work my way down the line. Begin with skincare. I have been loving, I just got this like 2 days ago, but I've been loving aloe vera for my face. Like I usually get a plant, cut it open, and apply the gel. But I looked on Amazon and I found that they had organic aloe vera oil with vitamin E. And this is by Beauty Ocean. I apply this morning and night, and aloe vera is so good for your skin. It provides it with vitamin A and E. It's good for scarring, like acne scarring or any scars of that sort. And it has been helping my skin. My pores are like diminished and gone. You can hardly see them. It's amazing. Next, I used this a while ago, but I brought it back out because it's winter and I'm pale, even though I live in Arizona. And it is the Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that gets you tan. It makes you tan once you start using it, but after like, this one's medium to tan, by the way. But I love this stuff. It has a weird smell. It smells tropical, but after I use it in a few hours, I can tell that I look a little bit more tan, and if you keep using it every day, you're gonna get tan. So that's why I really like it, especially in the winter, but I love it in the summer too, to go over my tan. It just makes me glow and bronzy, and I'm just a tan goddess, and that's what we strive to be. So next for skincare, I was on Amazon. I had a gift card because it was recently my birthday. And I saw that they had, I was looking at lip smackers, because does anybody remember those? Like the old flavored ones? Yeah. So I saw these lip smackers. They're the Kiss Therapy, and they come in 4 different flavors, and they have SPF 30. So there is strawberry, grapefruit, superfruit, and like a mint, eucalyptus mint. And I have been loving these so much. I have the strawberry one in my purse. But I have the other 3 here, and they're so cute. They just look like this. And they smell amazing. They taste good too. Lastly, for like skin products, I'd say, I have been in love with this perfume. This is the Jimmy Choo Elect, and it looks like that. I love the packaging. The packaging is so sleek, and the smell is so like mature, like dark and mature. I don't know, I can't even describe it. It's very sweet. Just if you're in an Ulta, Sephora, TJ Maxx, Nordstrom Rack, because I got mine at TJ Maxx, I think, smell it, because it is the greatest thing you'll ever smell in your entire life. I love it. That's the only perfume I have been using lately, and I like travel with this too. And I bring it back to school, back and forth when I come down. When I just was recently in Seattle, brought this. I look like a mess. Oh my god, I'm so gross. Moving on to makeup, I have a few beauty products that I have been loving. So to start off, been loving the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 replenishing spray. I absolutely love this. The mist on it is amazing. Like, look at this. Like, it's amazing. It does get your face a little wet, like a little wet if it's too close, but this has just been a great like extra step to prep my skin before applying my primer and all my other like foundation and stuff like that. And in the wintertime, my face is so dry, it makes me so mad. So this really hydrates my skin. I've been loving 2 primers recently. I have been in love with the Fenty Beauty Primer. My sister got this for me for Christmas, or for Hanukkah, and I've absolutely been loving it. This is amazing. It makes your skin like it's like all about skin. Like that's her whole line. It just makes your skin look so fresh and glowy and just like your skin but better. And that's why I love it so much. And my foundation and concealer and any like product from cream to powder stays on amazingly, goes on flawlessly. The other primer I recently brought back into my collection. I used it for a little bit, but then I stopped using it because of this bad boy. But I broke it back out, and it is the Glossier. Is it Glossier or Glossier? Does anybody know? But Glossier, people say Glossier, so I don't know, Glossier. Their priming moisturizer. I've been loving this, especially in the wintertime because my face is dry. And this can be used as a moisturizer and a primer, so it's like a 2-in-1. So this might be a shock, but I actually wear foundation now. I know. In my like beginning videos, I never wore foundation. I still hardly don't. Like on occasion I will, but I've been wearing it a lot more recently. And it's because this foundation I'm about to show you is amazing. It is $6. And it is the e.l.f. Oil-Free SPF 15, so it has sunscreen, by the Beautifully Bare line. And it just looks like this, glass packaging, with a pump. So it just has a pump. And I have been loving this. This is in the color Sand. And one, the packaging is so sleek. I like that it's glass, very firm and heavy. But the actual product is amazing. If you want a thin formula that will cover up stuff, but it's not too thick or like overly full coverage, this is going to be the foundation for you. I love this. It actually makes me look flawless. It covers up mainly any blemish I have, any freckle, but it does, my freckles do peek through, which is what I like. So it is, I'd say, it's like a light to medium depending on how you build it up. So you can build it up, it doesn't look cakey. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. I use it with like a damp beauty sponge. I just use my beauty blender and it's flawless. It just makes you look like you just got off a beach and you're glowy and hydrated, and it's definitely not drying, so. But it also is not like overly too dewy, so this is great for combination skin. So definitely check it out. It's only $6. If you don't like it, it's just $6, which I think is a steal for a great foundation. I have been loving this setting powder. I ran out of my Laura Mercier and I haven't been able to, I haven't had a chance to go get another one. So I picked up this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 15 Light. Just looks like this. Talk about flawless. Flawless. Like this product, take my damp beauty sponge and I pat it in. I don't bake. I just set it in and I pat it in, and your face goes from this to like flawless. Like you look like you can be on the runway right now. Like you look like those flawless Instagram models with no pimples or no blemishes. Like that's what it makes you look like. If I have a blemish and I put this over it, it disappears. Like it's absolutely amazing. You have to check it out. I have gotten half of my friends to buy this. I got my friend Lily and my friend Nicole to get this powder because I showed them it and I was like, look, watch this. And I put it on and they're like, oh my god, like I need it. And they are in love with it. It's like $7.99. You can get it at any drugstore. And it's absolutely amazing. If you want a flawless airbrush finished look without being too drying, this is your go-to. I've been loving this blush. Like it is like $2 and I've been loving it. It's by Essence. It's their Satin Touch blush in 20 Satin Love. And it's just really nice mauve-y reddish brick color, and on the cheeks it's absolutely amazing. It's so like creamy and buttery and it glides on so nicely, and that's the color. It's perfect for a natural look. It's perfect for a very bold look. It's a little on the darker side, but also kind of on the light side. So it's kind of both. So you can do a lot of things with this blush. It's just so buttery, like to the touch. It glides on amazingly with any brush. And it's not patchy or anything or streaky. So I've been loving it, and it's like $2 at Ulta. Almost done with the beauty products. We have 2 more items left. So one of the 2 is this Morphe 9A palette. I love the packaging, and this is just the perfect, it is so dirty because I use it and one of the pans like fell out. This is a perfect like everyday palette. It's the perfect everyday palette. I travel with this palette. I go everywhere with this palette. I create every look with this palette. You can go from a simple natural eye to a very bold, glittery, sparkly, dramatic cat eye. Like, you can do anything. I'm gonna hold this. Anything with this palette. It has your black, it has your transition colors, it has your lid colors, it has everything you need, and it's perfect. It has a big mirror, and it's easy to travel with. You have every color you need in here, and you're set to go. Lastly, for beauty products is this Smashbox liquid lipstick. Always on liquid lipstick in Fair Game. I absolutely love this. Like, this has been the color I've been wearing mostly like every day. Not every day, that's a little over dramatic, but when I do any makeup look, I love, love, love this color. It's that perfect, like, natural, like, nude color. You know, it's kind of brown, but not too brown. It's amazing, and it's, like, I don't know if it's transfer proof. Let's wait for it to dry. I don't know if it's transfer proof. I think it is. No, it's actually not. It's not transfer proof, but it stays on so long. I went to a like birthday dinner for this, or with this on. I can't talk. I like can't think. Anyway, so I went to a birthday dinner. I went to my birthday dinner with this on, and it stayed on through the whole meal. I had like pasta with my family. I had a cannoli, cheesecake, like I went ham, and it stayed on at the end of the night. Yeah, it's not transfer proof. Okay, so moving on to fashion items. My first one is my baby. My LV coin pouch I have been loving recently. I got this as a surprise from my boyfriend for Valentine's Day because I really wanted it, because I really wanted it to match my Neverfull LV bag. And I just wanted it for college to put my keys on, and I just hold like all of my cards in here. Like, I have like 7 cards, and I found a $20 bill, which I thought was $1. Then I looked at it, and then my day was made. Anyways, I love this thing. It is so cute. It's like adorable. It's perfect to hold your car key. Well, you can hold your car keys on it, but it's easy to hold your credit card or any type of like student ID card. And it's perfect when you just want to go into the store and you don't want to grab your purse or your wallet. Everything you need is in this little guy right here, and it's so sleek and cute. It is a little pricey, which I understand, and there's so many dupes you can find on Amazon, or even check out Poshmark. Like, people sell their LV stuff or Gucci or whatever you want to find, but you can find some really cute coin pouches. I had a Coach one that I got at Macy's for like $25, which is pretty affordable compared to like a $200 thing. I know this is another pricey item, but I have been absolutely loving this. My boyfriend got it for me for my birthday, and it is an Apple Watch. This thing is amazing. It does everything for you. So I have the gold watch with the pink band, if it would focus. And I love it. It's actually dead right now. Yeah, I know, I'm upset. But it's super nice and sleek on. I absolutely love it. I just got it dirty, wow. And that thing does everything for you, from counting calories when you work out to telling you if you've been sitting for too long. It will be like, all right, you gotta stand up for a minute, move around. I love that. And it tells you how many miles you walk, and you can like reply to your messages on it. You can answer FaceTimes on it, and then like to transfer to your phone. You get notifications on it, so it's absolutely great. And I've been wearing these bad boys non-stop. I absolutely love them. So they look like this. And then it just has Stan Smith. And that's all white. Like, I just love the all white. They're a little dirty because I wore them in Seattle. But I just have been loving these shoes. I love all white shoes like this. They look so like classy and like bright. I just moved the camera, I'm sorry. They just look so classy and bright with any look. Like skirt to jeans to leggings, like anything. I just love the way they look. And I can't believe I found them at Nordstrom Rack. So if you've been looking for your size, go to Nordstrom Rack because they were like 60 bucks. So lastly, my last fashion piece that has been my favorite, which I have showed you guys in a haul and in a little like outfit lookbook kind of situation, and it's this jacket from Missguided. It's huge. It is this big black fluffy jacket with fur on the inside, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to insert a clip right here for you guys that on an Instagram photo that I wore in it, just so I don't have to like try it on. But it is so comfy and warm, and it was a little pricey, but I tried to find it for you guys to see if I can link it down below, but they don't have it on their website anymore. But I'm going to find a similar one for you guys, and I'll leave it linked down below. And yeah, it's so warm. It can be warm in Seattle. Seattle was so cold because I'm not used to 40-degree weather, and I was freezing, and that kept me so warm, and I just love it. It goes with anything. Alright guys, so that completes my current beauty slash fashion favorites. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I hope you guys can test out some of these products, aka like this foundation. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.